Hello guys, so we're now here to demo to you the different power of vitamin C in every product that you can see inside this video. So first product is the calamansi. We have 4 pieces here because our lemon is larger. We have calamansi in the Philippines is a very good source of vitamin C. Everybody knows it and everybody can afford it because this is very cheap. Second one, we have the lemon. All around the world, people knows that lemon is a very good source of vitamin C and very rich in antioxidant. Third one, we have here product from other company. So I'm not gonna show to you. I'm not gonna say to you what product it is, but everybody know that this is also good source of vitamin C. But let's see how effective it is. And we have here Atomy's vitamin C. They call it color food vitamin C because it is derived from different color food, different fruits and vegetables that are rich in vitamin C. And as you can see here, you can also see water. So why do we need water? Because water represents our body, and our body originally is clean. But if we are exposed to radiation, to stress, to unhealthy lifestyle, lack of sleep, we are killing our body slowly. So let's see later what will happen. And we also have here betadine. So this betadine is antiseptic disinfectant, and we don't use it for internal purposes. We use it externally because it became a poison if you intake it. Okay, so this time we're going to put toxin inside your body by putting this betadine at same amount in this water. So I'll use this spoon. Going to squeeze these fruits or this calamansi. You see the betadine and the water mixture. When you notice anything, it's becoming lighter. So that represents that really vitamin C can eliminate toxicity inside our body. And then next, we have the lemon. Notice in this product, it's in powder form, but let's see. And we have Atomy's vitamin C. See, it's very fine. So I'm not doing anything yet. I'm not mixing them. Can you see something's happening. So this one becomes lighter, and this one also much lighter than this one. This one, it's still working, but I think this one is better than this one. Lemon is better than this one. But look at Atomy's vitamin C. I'm not even shaking it, but it's really working. You can see down is really being light and white, back to its original color of the water. So let's see, let's help them. Oh, what is happening? Nothing's happening. Nothing's happening also. Let's see about this. So becoming lighter, but I think it will take more hours. And this one, it's almost back to its original color. Okay, so with this illustration, we can see that, yeah, vitamin C can remove the toxicity inside our body, but not as much as with this vitamin C. This is really powerful. So you've heard from the news right now that in other countries, because of the coronavirus, they're using vitamin C to help their immune system fight with the viruses. So if you want to have it, we have another tutorial on how you can order this. I will put the link on the description box below. Please check it out. And this time, I will try to put another toxin, another batch of toxin in this mixture with the Atomy vitamin C. Let's see if it still works. Is it working? Yes, it's still working. So mean to say, if you have this in your body, you are already protected. Let's help these products. Okay, so you can see. Can you cut?